In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize menus and navigation on WordPress.com, a simple tutorial perfect for beginners. Whether you're setting up a new website or refreshing an existing one, organizing your menu is essential for a smooth user experience. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center where you can manage everything from content to settings. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Appearance in the menu on the left-hand side. Give that a click. The Appearance section is where you can change the look and feel of your site, and it's also where you'll find the tools for customizing your navigation menu. Next, click on Editor. This will take you to the Site Editor, which is a powerful tool that allows you to make changes to the structure and design of your website. In the editor, you should see an option for navigation. Click on this option to start customizing your menu. The navigation section is specifically designed to streamline changes to the menu, making it a user-friendly way of updating how visitors will interact with your site. Now look for the three dots located in the top corner of the navigation settings. Clicking on these will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see an option labeled Edit. Selecting Edit allows you to make specific adjustments to your navigation menu. It's important at this stage to visualize how you want your menu to look. Consider the pages you want prominently displayed for easy access by your site visitors. Once you've clicked Edit, you can go into the menu structure on the website page itself and click on the menu to further customize. Here, click Edit again to begin adjusting the contents of your menu. This is your opportunity to tinker with which items show up in your main navigation. You can add pages or blocks that highlight the essential parts of your site. If you're deciding to add new sections, you have several options available. You can add typical site pages such as About, Contact, or Blog. Additionally, consider integrating blocks, which offer dynamic content options for your site visitors. Blocks can include things like search bars, custom links, or category tags. Go ahead and pick any blocks you feel would enhance the usability and aesthetics of your navigation. Finally, after you've made your selections and are satisfied with how your navigation menu appears, look for the Save button. Click on Save to ensure all your changes are applied to your site. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WordPress navigation menu, offering your visitors a more intuitive and polished experience. Remember, the navigation menu is the central hub for your site's visitors, so taking the time to thoughtfully organize it is key to maintaining an engaging and user-friendly website. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.